In this quick video, I want to show you how to check for protein in your urine, which is an indicator of kidney issues or kidney failure. And this particular brand is called Diagnox, and you get this off of Amazon for about 15 bucks. Link in the comment section where you can get it. But protein in the urine basically means that your kidneys are not filtering out some protein. And that is an indicator that your kidneys are not functioning perfectly. And now, protein in the urine can be from multiple other conditions, heart issues, stress, especially through exercise, through medication. So don't be alarmed. If you do get a positive of some protein in the urine, and with this test strip, you want it to be negative with no protein, but we're going to look at the strip and we're going to see if it's completely green, then you know you got a lot of protein. All right, so what you want to do is urinate into a cup a fresh batch of pee, and this is the test strip here. And what we're going to do is we're going to dip it in very quickly, and then take it out, and then we're going to let that sit onto a cloth for about 60 seconds. Doesn't have to be exact. And we're going to see if there's any protein in the urine. Okay, it's been 60 seconds, and so I'm going to take my test strip and I'm going to compare it to the chart. And as you can see there, if you're like a little light beige color here, as you can see there, you want to look at the majority of the box. The majority of the box is beige or very, very light in color, so that would be a negative. If there's a trace of protein in your urine, then it's going to be more like a teal color, or like a light green, and then it goes to lime, and then all the way to dark green, grassy color, and that means that there's a lot of protein. And so you want to consult with your doctor if you have protein in your urine. Again, don't get alarmed, but this is a very, very good indicator of kidney issues. So if you're looking for one single test that's not too expensive, protein in the urine is going to be one of the very first things that you look for when it comes to kidney issues. Is it's not filtering out protein. Another clear telltale sign, if you got protein in the urine, if you go urinate, you're going to see bubbles that do not go away when you urinate into a toilet. So it's almost like a can of soaps, and so the bubbles when you urinate should dissolve within a minute and disappear. But if you urinate and you go back to the toilet and it's still that foamy, that means that there's a lot of protein in your urine and you need to get that addressed. Sometimes you can flush the commode and they still come back up. All right, thank you so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe. And again, the link in the comment section where you can get the Diagnox off of Amazon.